Hi guys, today I'm going to explain you how you guys can add your business on Google Maps or how you can create your GMB or Google My Business profile. For that, we need few information like your phone number, address and your company name. Let's start creating your GMB profile. To add your business on Google Maps or Google My Business profile or Google profile, first we have to go to Google My Business. First one, it will ask you for the sign in, just sign in into your Gmail account. Now it will ask you for the business name, so you can add your business name here. If you already have a listing with this name, Google will suggest you with their address. Right now we don't have any business with this name. I will click on Europe Airport Taxi and then click on next. Then it will ask you for the business, either you are an online retail or local store or services business. In my case, we are in services business. I just click on next. Then it will ask you for the categories. We will go for taxi service. You can select the category from here according to your business nature. Click on next. Now it will ask you for your area. Skip it because we have like operating all over the Europe. Now it will ask you for the country where your business is based. I will select United Kingdom. Click on next. So now it will ask us for your phone number and for the website. I just enter my website. Now it will ask you for the verification address where you want to show your business. Then click on next. Now they are giving us three options. Number one is phone code. Google will send a code at our phone number. Second option is email code. Google will send an email code at our email address. Third is the business verification, in which we have to record a video for our business outside of the office, inside of the office and the street view. So Google can see that we are actually based at this address. I will go for the phone code or either email. Let's go for email. Click on next. I will enter my email like it's demo@europeairporttaxi.com. Then I will click on next. Now Google has sent a verification code at my email address. Now I log in into my email account and you can see that there is a code from Google. I will just copy paste this one and then I will just paste it right here and click on verify. Now you can see that you have been verified by Google. It will take up to 5 days till your verification. Then click on next. You can select other services. You can add your logo, timings according to your requirement. Then click on next. If you want to add any description, you can add it here. Right now I'll just skip it. If you want to upload any images or logo for your business, so you can upload it from here. And Google gives credit of £400 to all the new advertisers that run Google ads. If you want, you can claim it from here, but remember it will be started like first you have to spend £400, then you will get this credit. I will just skip this one for right now and then just skip it again. Now you can see that our business is not publicly visible. It will take few days actually verified. So that's it guys. That's how you can create a GMB profile or you can add your business on Google Maps. If you need any help in ranking your Google My Business profile or if you want to get knowledge for that, you can contact techsoftsystem.com. Thank you.